Hello, traders, and welcome back to another week trading with the VIP team. Today we're going to focus on the Japanese yen. Now, the reason I'm going to focus on the Japanese yen on today's Sunday Open is because of how the Japanese yen closed on Friday and what I'm looking at in my charts. So let's start by looking at the daily. This will be a very quick video. Remember, if you want to be part of the VIP team and get my trades on the Japanese yen, all you have to do is subscribe to the VIP team with the link below this video. Now, uh, this is FXM Japanese yen basket, pretty much what the DXY is for the US dollar. So on Friday, this Friday candle, the second to last candle, you can see that we closed below that massive level. The level that I'm looking at, of course, is this previous base or September lows. Now, this previous base or September lows is the level that we traded to the downside on this big dip on the Japanese yen. Remember that the Japanese central bank, or the BOJ, I'm sorry, the BOJ has the most dovish stance towards the monetary policy and fiscal policy of all G7 central banks, right? The Japanese yen is under pressure and has been for a while. If we zoom in on the daily chart, you can see that from March 20 highs, the Japanese yen has depreciated from high to low 18.4%. We are looking for shorts, even though we had this recovery from October lows, right? We had this recovery, but buyers or bulls, I'm sorry, failed to keep price above this very key level, the September lows. Now that is on the daily. On the 8-hour chart, remember I look at the 8-hour chart or the 4-hour chart, depends on how much noise there is in the chart. Really doesn't matter. I don't take my entries on the higher time frame charts. I do that on the hourly and 15-minute. This is basically to look at key levels, right? So if we look at structure in this market, right, we that's what I'm going to try to find. If we have some structure highs and structure lows that are in play at the moment. So basically what I'm looking at here is a possible break of this immediate structure that we are looking here, right? So basically, the bullish structure that I'm looking at, or the break of set structure that I'm looking at, is the structure that was built on the break of this highs, right? So basically, what we had here is a high stopping and retesting October highs, these highs right here, where we saw again bears jumping into this market. Remember that the last time the price was trading at this level, the Japanese yen depreciated in one single month from high to low more than 6%. I'm not saying that this is going to happen, but um, everything is pointing out at further downside of the Japanese yen. Now, if we go to the hourly chart, where I will be taking my entry, it's pretty obvious that bulls failed to continue with this move to the upside. After breaking with this continuation pattern, the blue one, yeah, price came back to retest these previous lows on what seemed to be an ABC pullback. I mean, it really doesn't matter. But as you can see, bulls were unable to break with this immediate bearish pattern or bearish structure that would have been a very good buy at the break of this, let's call it a flag, right? So what I'm looking at here, price trading below the weekly pivot, below this massive key level, right? Just have a look at this. This is the level that I'm looking at. This massive pivotal level, remember this is an hourly level, but still very important to look at these weeks, which gives you that pivotal level that we are talking about. And now sellers are very much placed above this level. And as you can see, for the past 3 trading weeks, we've had some very flat tops and kind of some flat bottoms too. But what I'm looking at here is the break and then that retest and a plausible bearish flag breakout. So my entries are going to be at the break of these lows. Of course, that I'm not going to be placing sales on the Japanese yen basket. I'm going to look for buys on the pound yen, the euro yen, the Aussie yen, CAD yen, US dollar, Japanese yen, or any other yen market that gives me a good risk to reward on a short on the Japanese yen. So that my first trades of the week will be Japanese yen based. Now, if you want to get those trades, just click the link below this video and subscribe to the VIP team. It's only £35 a month, and you get access to all of our trades. So heads up to that breakout, and I'll keep you guys posted if you are on the VIP team.